Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some partly cloudy conditions out there with just some cirrus cloudiness across the region, so a good amount of sunshine. Going to see that cirrus cloudiness across the region today with very nice conditions overall, seeing temperatures in the upper 60s or lower 70s across the peninsula. So taking a look at our sounding from this morning, freezing level 8,700 feet, winds out of the southwest to low levels around 10 knots and becoming more northwesterly 3 to 9,000 feet and continuing around 10 to 15 knots and seeing winds increase after about 9,000 feet up to 43 knots at 25,000 feet out of the west. Our surface analysis this morning, we have a cold front well off to the west. It's going to be slowly moving towards the region for tomorrow, and that's going to give us a chance of showers and thunderstorms for tomorrow or Wednesday, and then we'll see high pressure moving off the coast today with decent conditions, more of a southerly southwesterly flow today around this area, high pressure. That's going to give us our warm weather for our Tuesday. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we do have some upper level cirrus moving over the region this morning, and that's going to continue to be the case for today. Seeing mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions today. Should see a good amount of filtered sunshine even with the cirrus overhead today. So taking a look at the camera from this morning, you can see we do have that cirrus cloudiness across the region. We have very nice conditions overall. Tides look about normal in this shot here, and just a really nice day for mid to late April. So taking a look at the HRRR model for tomorrow afternoon as that cold front approaches, you'll see this is at 1400 local and then 1500 local. Showers and thunderstorms starting to develop over and west of the region. That's going to give us our chances of some possibly strong thunderstorms across the region for our Wednesday afternoon. Once that front does move through, we'll see windy conditions post-frontal and most likely seeing a wind advisory by late Wednesday afternoon. So taking a look at the European model for the next few days, you can see that cold front moving through with the showers and thunderstorms for Wednesday afternoon. Move off the coast and well off the coast Wednesday evening. Wednesday night into Thursday, we'll see some colder air filter in the region. Going to see lows in the upper 30s along the coast, possibly mid 30s inland. And we'll see some colder air in the region on Thursday, highs only in the 50s. We'll have some weak upper level disturbances moving through on Thursday that could possibly give us a brief sprinkle, but most likely just some mostly cloudy skies. Moving into Friday morning, we'll have high pressure overhead. That'll give us another chilly start to the day, but temperatures will moderate into the 60s for Friday afternoon. And then for Saturday, we'll see high pressure moving off the coast and area low pressure developing across the deep south into the Tennessee Valley. It's going to move towards our region for our Saturday evening, giving us a good chance of rainfall by late Saturday afternoon into the evening hours and continuing possibly through Sunday morning as the area low pressure moves off the coast. Sunday, we'll see northwesterly flow to northerly flow. That should give us a good amount of downslipping off the mountains and a decently warm day across the region as this area low pressure won't have much cold air behind it. So looking like Sunday afternoon should be a decent afternoon after we do have some clouds and a possibility of showers in the morning. And for Monday, we'll have high pressure building in, giving us fairly nice conditions overall to begin the work week of next week. So looking at our risk chart for today, a high of 70, a low of 55. We'll see winds picking up out of the south around 11 to 16 knots, gusting to 22 knots. So a slight chance of seeing a wind advisory or winds at or greater than 25 knots for late this afternoon into the evening hours. Our next 24 hours, looking at our terminal forecast, going to see VFR conditions. Cloud coverage should be around 25 to 20,000 feet today. And then seeing some mid-level cloud cover build in overnight, anywhere from about 8 to 12,000 feet overnight. And seeing partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies by tomorrow morning. Our tides are normal. And looking at Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday partly to mostly cloudy and slightly breezier in the morning. Then a chance of showers and a T-storm or thunderstorm by afternoon. We'll see some of those storms containing some stronger winds possible. It'll be windy and cooler late in the day after that cold front moves through. We'll see a high during the early afternoon of 69 degrees. Looking like precipitation chances around 70%, lightning chances around 50 to 60% with those thunderstorms rolling through. And we'll see winds gusting over 25 knots, especially during the early evening hours. Possibility we see ceilings below 500 feet or visibility below a mile with the thunderstorms moving through with the heavier rain possible. Wednesday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy, breezy early and chilly, a low of 39. And for Thursday, partly to mostly cloudy, windy and cooler with a high of 56 degrees. Looks like we'll have winds gusting well into the 30s for knots for Thursday afternoon. So looking like a windy day, cooler day, and a possibility of seeing those winds continue around 25 knots, especially early in the night on Wednesday. So next 7 days, beautiful day today across the region. Partly cloudy and mild, high of 70. Windy tomorrow, especially late in the day, high of 69, and that afternoon chance of thunderstorms. Looking like about a 70 to 75% chance of rainfall across the region. Then for Thursday, we'll see highs in the mid-50s, possibly upper 50s, if we do have enough downsloping off the mountains, and models are indicating a bit colder air than is seasonable for this time of year. So could see upper 50s, but right now, going to see a high of 56 degrees in the forecast. For Friday, we'll see mostly sunny and slightly breezy winds. Mostly sunny skies and slightly breezy winds, a high of 61 degrees. And for Saturday, we'll see afternoon rain showers, a high of 66 degrees. It looks like those rain showers will be likely for Saturday night into Sunday with an 80% chance of rainfall. We'll see AM showers possible Sunday, PM breezes with a high of 68 degrees. And then for Monday, we'll see a little bit cooler air mass move in the region, partly cloudy skies and breezy conditions, a high of 60 degrees. See those overnight lows for Thursday morning and Friday morning in the 30s, and also a cooler morning for Monday morning. But no freezes in store across the area the next 7 days, as it does look like we'll be just above freezing inland for Thursday morning and Friday morning. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.